going to Choo-Choo Town.
This is the train production plant where they make new trains and fix broken ones.
La, la, la,
There's our friend, Titipo.
la, la, la. Today, I'm finally going to Choo-Choo Town. Hurry, Teo. We have to go.
Good morning. You seem really excited.
Yes, very. I can't wait to make new friends in Choo-Choo Town.
Clearly. All right, then. Can you open your door?
Sure. Are we leaving right now?
Yep. Up a step. Okay, let's get going.
Great! To Choo-Choo Town! La la la!
Oh. Titipo, there's a train up ahead, so let's slow down.
Okay. Boy, he's going so slowly.
Oh, that's Diesel.
At this speed, it'll take forever to get to town.
Don't worry, we're going to be changing tracks in a little while.
Changing tracks? There!
Huh?
Morning, Diesel. Going to work?
Hello, Teo. Yep. So, who's this? Don't think we've met.
He's new, and he's going to live in Choo-Choo Town.
Nice. Hello. My name is Diesel. I live in Choo-Choo Town, too. Let's be friends.
Okay, I'm Titipo.
I'll see you in town after I finish my work.
Sounds good.
Later.
Later! Hmm? Hey, Teo, what kind of train is Diesel?
Freight train. He transports heavy cargo.
Ah, he's kind of slow, though, don't you think?
Maybe, but he's strong. Stronger than you.
What? He doesn't look that strong to me.
That's the transfer station. Titipo, why don't we stop and take a break?
Okay. Oh? Wow, people! Why are there so many of them?
Because this is where people get on and off trains.
Ah.
Oh, top of the morning, Teo.
Hello, Eric.
Where are you off to now?
We're on our way to Choo-Choo Town. Titipo, say hello to Eric.
Hello, my name's Titipo.
A pleasure, Titipo. I'm headed to town too. Let's go together.
Okay, I'm ready to leave when you are.
Oh, be careful.
Wow, that train's super fast.
That's Xingxing. She's a high-speed train that transports passengers.
She went by so fast I couldn't even say hi.
She'll come to Choo-Choo Town later. You can meet her then. Come on, let's get going.
Yeah!
Follow me.
Choo-choo! Hello there, Eric.
Oh, hello, Tayo.
It's been a while.
Yes, good to see you.
Oh, I don't think I know him. Is he new?
That's Titipo. He's going to live with us in Choo-Choo Town.
Hello, my name's Tayo. Hello, I'm Titipo. It's nice to meet you. Likewise. See you around. Okay, see you.
That's Diesel, the freight train you met earlier.
Whoa! Diesel, Diesel is amazing!
It looks like Titipo is impressed by Diesel's hidden strength.
How much further do we have to go?
Titipo,
Oh?
we're here.
Wow!
Titipo has finally arrived at Choo-Choo Town.
Titipo, Titipo.
Hi, Mr. Herb.
Oh, it's you, Teo. I'll be right out. It's good to see you.
I brought the new train, Mr. Herb. Titipo, this is the train master, the head chief. Say hello.
Hello, Trainmaster Head Chief.
Oh, Titipo, welcome to the town. You don't have to be so formal with me. Everyone here just calls me Mr. Herb. That's what you should call me, too.
Thank you, Mr. Herb. Oh?
Heard there's a new train in town.
Oh,
Must be you. It's nice to meet you.
oh, yeah.
What's the matter, Titipo?
Are those guys trains?
What was that?
Nothing. Just, you look different, that's all.
You think
Oh,
we look different?
oh.
We do look a little different from other trains.
Yeah, a little different. Listen to a rap to fill in the gaps.
Ready?
Let's go!
Chugga choo-choo, chugga choo-choo, fix, fix, fix.
Lift, lift, lift.
Fix, fix, my name is Fix.
Lift, lift, my name is Lift.
Fix and lift, lift and fix. If something's broken, call me Mr. Fix.
And his sidekick, Lift, Lift.
Tracks in disarray.
Train's yelling Mayday.
When there is trouble, we'll be there on the double.
Wow, you two can really sing.
We love to dance and rap and sing, but railroad maintenance is our thing.
Not in jest, we're the best.
Okay, now I know.
Hey, Fix. A train has broken down. Can you give me a ride?
Of course I can.
He's your man.
Titipo, take care of yourself. Goodbye.
Okay, goodbye.
Safe travels, Teo.
Visit again.
Chugga
Choo-choo, chugga choo-choo.
Tracks in disarray. Trains yelling Mayday when there is...
Oh,
Oh,
Another train is approaching.
I'm back, Mr. Herb.
Oh, Jeannie, good job today. Jeannie,
Yes?
a new train has come to town.
Jeannie! It's me, Titipo. Oh, it's you. Hi again.
How do you know each other?
Oh, we met at the production plant yesterday.
That makes things easier, because I wanted you to look out for Titipo.
Absolutely. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Great. Thanks, Jeannie.
Eric, would you mind showing Titipo to his quarters?
sure. Follow me, Titipo.
Thanks. I think I'll tag along.
Bye now. You all had a busy day today, so go and rest up.
Okay. Wow. Hello. I saw you at the transfer station. Are you new? How did you see me when you were going so fast? Oh, since I move so quickly, I've learned to see quickly too. That makes sense. That's so cool!
Hi, guys.
It's Diesel. Hello.
This is Diesel. You saw him earlier.
Hi, Diesel. I saw you hauling all those containers. You're so strong.
They weren't that heavy.
I hope we can be good friends.
Me too.
Do you want to see our quarters?
Please. Wow, it's so beautiful here.
Yes, isn't it?
This way, Titipo. Whoa.
This is Jeannie's house. Mine's next door, and that one's yours, Titipo.
Wow! I love it! Good night, Titipo.
Sleep tight.
Thank you. Good night. I wonder how it looks inside. So this is my home? I have new friends and a new house too. I must be dreaming.
Today was a very exciting day for our little friend Titipo. But he needs to rest up for a new day. Sweet dreams, Titipo.